God, there's a giant dog. Don't get near me. Oh my God, there's another one. Ah! Oh, that one's limping. Hey, come here. Hi. Got a collar. Come on. Oh. This is insane. Hey, come here. You okay? You all right? Hey. Ugh. Bye. Ugh, gross. These dogs follow me home every single day, but not that other black one. Just one of them.